Hello students, we have a question here. Here it is written that 8 drops, 8 drops of mercury of equal radii possessing equal charges combine to form a big drop. Then the capacitance of bigger drop as compared to individual drop is. So here it is given that 8 drops are combining to form a bigger drop. So let's consider R be the radius of bigger drop. R is the radius of bigger drop, है ना? And small r with the radius of small drops. So capacitance of bigger drop will be C equal to 4 pi epsilon naught capital R. This is of bigger drop. And capacitance of smaller drops, let us consider at equation 1. Capacitance of smaller drop will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught small r. Let's consider it as equation second. Now as 8 drops are combining to form a bigger drop, so volume of bigger drop it will be equal to volume of 8 smaller drop, है ना? या फिर 8 into volume of smaller drop. So volume of bigger drop is 4 upon 3 because it is a sphere. That's why volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube and 8 into 4 upon 3 pi small r cube. And 4 upon 3 will be cancelled out by 4 upon 3 pi will be. So r will be if r will be equal to become 8 r cube की power 1 by 3. That is r equal to 2r. So on putting या फिर इक्वेशन 1 becomes on putting value of r in 1. पहली इक्वेशन में रखेंगे तो सी बिगर ड्रॉप का बन जाएगा कितना 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर. तो वैल्यू रखेंगे तो 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट और आर की जगह रखेंगे 2r. सो इट विल बिकम 2 into 4 pi epsilon naught r. That is twice of capacitance of smaller drop. So capacitance of bigger drop will be equal to 2 times of smaller drop. Thank you.